Eating nutritious food is not an option, it's a necessity for a healthy life. With the majority of the world's population suffering from one or more kinds of nutritional deficiency, it becomes even more important to make sure your food has all the essential nutrients in sufficient quantity. For a healthy and nutritious diet, you need to cook your meals in the healthiest way possible, by choosing healthy ingredients and cooking them in the healthiest way possible. Here are the steps to cook food nutritiously. 1. Cook on medium heat. The amount of heat your food cooks at greatly decides its nutritional outcome. Overcooking it would not only deprive your taste buds of the natural tastes but would also destroy delicate nutrients, like complex carbs. It is, thus, advised to cook food at medium heat. It will also prevent it from burning or sticking to the bottom of the cooking pot. Even at medium heat, most cookware being made from metals or ceramic, unnatural material, destroy delicate nutrients. Keep watching to find out how this can be fully prevented. 2. Wash or rinse foods the right way. Different foods need to be washed differently to preserve their nutrients. Generally, for most vegetables, it is recommended to wash them right before you cut for those water-soluble nutrients to stay locked in. Avoid soaking your vegetables, as that can remove key nutrients, such as vitamin C3. Don't overcook vegetables. Overcooking vegetables makes them mushy and they taste quite bland. It's important to cook them for just the right duration so they neither remain uncooked nor overcooked. Cooking for too long also reduces their nutritional value by breaking down the nutrients at the molecular level. 4. Always use the right cookware, it makes a big difference. The cookware makes a big difference to the health of your food. Most conventional metal and ceramic cookware make food unhealthy by contaminating it with reactive metal toxins and destroying nutrients with their harsh heat. You can make your food way more nutritious by choosing the right cookware, healthy and non-toxic pure clay pots. Pure clay is naturally inert so doesn't react with food, a biochemical entity, and their unique far-infrared heat keeps nutrients intact. Steam management is another important aspect of cooking healthy. Most of the steam generated in food is water-soluble nutrients. Out of the 13 essential vitamins and minerals, 9 are water-soluble, which means they dissolve in water, are quickly used in the body, and need to be replenished every day. The body doesn't store them. With conventional cookware, as steam constantly leaves the pot, so do the water-soluble nutrients. Cooked food remains deficient in one more way. Pure clay pots can be ergonomically designed to naturally and fully harness the goodness of nature, so the rising steam touches the inner surface of the lid, condense, and drops back into the food instead of exiting the pot like with metals. By taking care of these little things, you can make sure you are cooking your food in the healthiest way possible and your body is getting all the nutrients it needs. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love them too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.